Hey guys, in this Spark AR tutorial I want to show you how you can create a fade out emitter like this. So let's start. Hey again, so let's create a fade out emitter here in Spark AR. The first thing we will do is of course to create an emitter or particle system. So we go to our scene on the left hand side and click on the plus. Here we will just search for particle system. After we have inserted our particle system, we will see that there is already an emitter in the middle of the screen, which will emit some particles. I will just change some properties here of this emitter. So I click on the emitter on the left hand side, go to the right hand side, and here under emitter I will just set the type from point to line, and then I will set the lifespan from 0.4 to 2 seconds, and then maybe the length of the line to 0.3. So now it is still in the middle. I will change this. So I will go to my viewport here in the middle and just drag down the emitter. At the moment we have this placeholder on our particles. I will just change this. So I will go to my assets panel and create a material. So material. Then I will go to the right hand side, leave the shader type at standard, go down to color and just select a red color for my particles. Now I also have to apply the material to my emitter, so I go back to the scene, click on the emitter and change the material. So now we have some red emitters which go from the bottom to the top, and they will just disappear after 2 seconds. But now I want to have them fade out. For this we need a script, but no worries, we don't have to code this script on our own because the Spark AR community already has created one for us, which we can use and download for free. So go to the description of this video and click on the link. Then you will end up here on this GitHub page, and here you can just download this script. And thanks to Josh for creating this script for us. When you have downloaded the script, we can just import it to the Spark AR Studio. So go to your Finder and then just drag and drop the script you have downloaded. It should be named emitter particle fade.js, and drag and drop this to your assets panel. And after you have imported this to your assets panel, you can already see that the emitters are fading out. But you have to take something in mind, because the emitter is now called emitter 0. When you change this emitter name, for example to emitter 1, and now restart the filter, you will see that the fade out effect is not working anymore. So please make sure that your emitter is called emitter 0. So restart the filter again, and now the particles are fading out again. At the moment you can see that the particles, when they are fading out, they're getting a little bit bigger. If you don't want this effect, you can click on your script, go to the right hand side and here click on edit. Then the script will open up, and when you scroll down, the last line, the emitter.size modifier, when you delete this line and save the script and go back to your Spark AR Studio, you will see that this effect isn't there anymore. So if you don't want this effect, just delete this line. And this was all the magic about how to create a fade out emitter here in the Spark AR Studio. If you know how to code, you can of course modify this script so it works in a different way, but otherwise you are fine with the standard script. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!